If you're tired of being a clock watcher, working in the corporate world, taking orders from a boss that doesn't appreciate you and sitting next to coworkers that you can't stand, then stick around. My name's Tracy. I'm 57. I'm divorced. I used to work in the corporate world for 40 years, and I found a better way. Today, I am my own boss, and I only work 2 hours a day, and my alarm clock never goes off. I found a new life in online digital marketing through the Legacy Builder program. All I had to do to qualify was to be coachable, be consistent, and put in 2 hours of income earning activity a day. As a matter of fact, in 15 minutes, I'm done and the rest of the day is mine. Well, how do I make money? Well, I'll tell you. I have 4 amazing products I didn't even create myself that I get to sell at 100% profit and make daily income. If that sounds pretty good to you, instead of watching the clock all day, put yes in the comments. I'll get information to you right now.